Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here and enjoy our content, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And click on that notification bell to get our latest post. Today we want to share with you some useful information when getting off the cruise ship into Aruba. Aloha! Actually, Aruba! Aruba is known for the happy place. Chân dương Kapal dương chi Kapalទឹកយើង Carnival Vista ឥឡូវមកដល់កោះនេះគេហៅថាកោះ Aruba គេហៅថាកោះដោយរីករាយកោះសប្បាយរីករាយ Alright, welcome to fabulous Aruba.
Looks like there's another cruise ship that's docked here with us at the moment. Celebrity Beyond. So this is part of the Celebrity Cruise. There's our ship, Carnival Vista. Off the boat now. Hey, you guys been taking people pictures. I'm gonna take your picture. Yeah. Gotta take your picture. Okay.
And then coming out to Aruba, you don't need to bring out your passport.
That's right. Just your ID.
Just your stateroom ID and your state issued ID. That's what.
Four stops.
No, thank you. Thank you. It's just a little bit of a shopping out here. Oh look, I like this one. It says Aruba, Trump, one happy island. I like that. It's windy. Yep. One
Aruba.
happy island.
Any questions you have, please fire them on me.
So these vendors are pretty much right outside the boat. As soon as you walk out the gate, they're here. So if you don't want to walk too far, you can just hang out here and do your shopping. But if you like to explore, just head out a little bit further. This is kind of a main road here near the cruise port and right near shops. There you go. There's a sign. Oh, cocktail. Well, if we get tired enough, we'll go there. More shopping here, plenty.
The best part of vacation is eat, sleep, shop. That's it.
Oh, don't forget drink.
Oh yeah, for you. I'll skip the drink.
Yeah, us guys will skip the shopping. Eat, sleep, and drink.
Yeah, I will compensate the drinking for the shopping.
Hello, what you got there?
Got some Don Julio tequila.
Wow, is that
Reposado.
Reposado? Okay, just get the extra anejo.
I don't like it.
Oh really? That's supposedly smoother, and I guess it's like the first squeeze.
Yeah, I like Reposado because I be around a lot of girls and they like Reposado. So I drink the liquor with the females.
There you go. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
out real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, Gucci, Tiffany, LV.
Oh, the mall's
They
in
do
there.
have the casino.
Oh, okay, okay.
Wow, they have 2 casinos right here in Aruba.
Yeah, there's another one
Seaport.
right there.
That's amazing. They find many ways to get your money. Keep your US dollars deep in your pocket. Don't bring it out. Don't let them lure you.
All right, guys. When was the last time you see this type of phone booth? Look at this. This is the old way of calling. It's a nice restaurant. Very colorful chairs and table. Oh yeah. There's nothing else for the air conditioning. Starbucks in Aruba. Ah yes, you can smell the fresh coffee. Ah, looks like they got a 5 o'clock somewhere bar here in Aruba.
And Dunkin' Donuts.
Well, maybe this is a place to stop and have a beer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and you can get coffee.
Espresso.
Yeah.
You want it?
No, it's too hot to be drinking espresso. There's Dunkin' Donut. Alright. 5 o'clock somewhere. Alright, we're here at the 5 o'clock somewhere bar.
In Aruba.
Out in Aruba, out in the open here. Let's see, we're gonna order some a nice cold beer because it is hot and humid. So what do you order? It's called Cran Martini. Cran Martini. Okay, Cran Martini. Oh, that's pretty color right there.
This one has pineapple juice, cranberry, and mango, and coconut.
Alright. It's nothing like having yourself a nice cold drink in Aruba at a Margaritaville bar.
Wow, it tastes really good.
Yeah? Great.
I like it.
And I'm having myself one of the local beer here. It's called Balashi. It's a draft and it's really nice and light. It tastes really good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Welcome to Aruba.
Welcome to Aruba.
Yes.
Wow, I'm in Aruba and guess what I found? Chinese specialties restaurant. I want me a beef chow fan right now. Can you believe? Can you believe you can find Chinese restaurants just about anywhere around the world? I did not expect to find one here, but here it is.
Looks like here in Aruba, they drive the same way as in America. Alright, look at this guy. Lucy's Retired Surfers Bar and Restaurant. I don't know about retired surfers. Looks like a whole bunch of cruiser here. Nice.
Alright, there you have it. That's Aruba off the cruise ship on foot just for you. And if you enjoy the contents, please don't forget to help support our channel by clicking subscribe, likes, and the notification bell. Until the next video, bye for now.